In the early days, Musk was an ardent programmer. As a teenager, he taught himself to code and even sold a game called Blaster for around $500. This early interest in programming laid the foundation for his later ventures. During his time at Zip2, a company he co-founded, Musk was often seen getting his hands dirty with coding. Despite being the CEO, he spent many nights fixing software bugs. This highlighted his belief in the importance of understanding the core tech that underpins any tech business. In the mid-2000s, as SpaceX was taking shape, Musk emphasized the significance of software in space exploration. He argued that programming was the backbone of SpaceX operations, from launching rockets to operating satellites. His commitment to programming was such that he even learned the programming language C++ to better understand the software that powers SpaceX. Fast forward to 2017, in a conversation with Y Combinator's Sam Altman, Musk expressed his concerns about AI development. He called for the regulation of AI programming, voicing fears about an uncontrolled AI development scenario. This reflects Musk's understanding of the potential risks and ethical dilemmas in the programming sphere. In 2020, Musk's view on programming education came to the fore. He stated that learning to program is a valuable skill for the future, hinting at its importance in a world that's increasingly reliant on technology. In a nutshell, Elon Musk's views on programming have evolved over time. His early self-taught coding days fueled his tech ventures. He believes in the importance of understanding and engaging with the core technology of any business. Musk sees the crucial role of programming in space exploration and AI. He also acknowledges the risks associated with unregulated AI programming and advocates for its regulation. Finally, he believes in the value of programming education, emphasizing its relevance in the future. So, does Elon Musk code? Maybe not as much now, but his profound understanding and appreciation for programming have undeniably shaped his journey and contributions to the world of technology.